Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kentaro Aksyal Daval Darmawan. And my friend Ihsan. We are from group 4. So now I will explain about the smart lock system. Smart lock, okay. So smart lock is an electronic and mechanical device that opens wirelessly with an authorized user authentication. In smart home, smart lock allow homeowner to enter their homes or give other people to access it without using a traditional key. So there are first kind to open it, such using the smartphone application, PIN code, cards, and fingerprint, and etc. After that, I will explain about the especially Samsung Smart Door Lock. The model is SHP DP609. On this Samsung Smart Door Lock devices with SHP DP609 model, they have 5 different authentication to unlock it. The user can using smartphone app, fingerprint, NFC or near field communication, number pad, and also mechanical key. There's only one action to open or close. That means you can open easily the door by pushing or pulling the easy push-pull handle with low noise. On this Samsung Smart Door Lock, they have many other features such as Smart Bell. Smart Bell, that means we can receive alerts when visitor touch the small bell icon in the door. After that, there is view access logs. We knowing who is coming home in a real time. After that, there is duration password. You can set up the date, the duration of password. It only 13 period time. There is enhanced user data security. It means this is important information like access code and app data. It is protected state of the art security technology. And the last one, in this model there is intrusion alarm. This is equipped with IR sensor that detect any suspicious movement for prolonged periods of time. The door lock sounds a warning siren to ward off unwanted guests. Attempting for entry or tampering to bypass to lock will set off alarm immediately. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ihsan and I'm gonna presentation about Samsung Smart Doorlock or Smart Doorlock by Samsung. So I'm not alone. I am with Kentaro, Aksyal, Daval, Darmawan, and then on my part I will gonna explain about the implementation Samsung Smart Doorlock in the real life or in the real world. So first of all, the implementation itself, we can see from the picture on this PPT. We can use this smart door lock on the office and then at the meeting room, at, at your house, and then at hotel and government uh, place, and or like the White House or president place, like something like that. This Samsung smart door lock can be used in office building and large companies where not just anyone uh, can enter by the office. So this is for like they have privately. By using we can say the an automatic door lock, you can choose to use a special card, or you can scan your fingerprint or use a pin, and then you can pin the code where only the internal office will know about it, or automatic door lock. Not only at the office, the government buildings and hotel, you can also use various automated door lock design, and for use in government buildings and hotels, digital key or a key card can be used to the ensuring the privately. And then next slide about the disadvantage and the advantage from the Samsung smart door lock. So there are several advantage and disadvantage for using the Samsung smart door lock. For the first, the advantage itself, we don't need a key or no more key, so we don't have to worry. We don't have to carry a lot of key or many of key that will be less likely to be lost or stolen. And then in the company building, you can control and restrict who goes into what part of the building. And then for this is very fast opening because with normal locks we have to put the key on the hole from the door lock, and then we have to wait a few minutes. So uh, with this Samsung smart door lock, it takes will save your time. And then for the security itself is very good because we can setting the password, and then we can use our fingerprint, so nobody can use it your fingerprint, of course. And then for that is for the advantage. And then for the disadvantage itself, the power varies. Some digital looks are powered by electricity. If your house or your building has a power failure, then the door lock will be not active or will be go down, and then the other people can entering your building with quietly. And then second, uh, these things, they have a limit pin code length. They basically they have a only 4-digit pin code. And then when placing finger or card from a wrong position, identification is very more difficult. And then next, when the sensor surface is work, the finger is wet or stretched, the identification uh, will be more difficult. So when your fingerprint, if your finger is wet, when you scan your fingerprint on the door lock itself, it's very difficult, or will be take more time uh, to wipe your fingerprint. And then there are very many fake brand which product have unclear original. So on this, I'm gonna recommending you, if you want to buy a smart door lock, buy with the brand. Example like this Samsung, it's very popular brand. Don't do not use the from the Chinese brand or something. So that's the disadvantage itself. And then okay, that's presentation from me. If there's a mistake, please forgive me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.